Today, we're checking out Prague's Lumia Gallery.
Mm.
It's the biggest digital art space in all of the Czech Republic.
Really?
They're located right in the heart of Prague's Old Town at Seletno 15.
Wow, okay. So it's like nestled in this really historic location.
Yeah.
Like it's this fusion of old and new,
Right?
traditional and cutting-edge technology.
Exactly. It's like these ancient buildings are getting like a futuristic makeover.
It's really cool.
Yeah, and they're not like just doing a little bit of digital art. They're doing like everything.
Oh, wow.
From interactive video projections to 3D projects, video mapping, LED mapping, you name it, they're probably doing it.
So they're really like embracing this whole movement of immersive art.
Yeah.
Like where you're not just a spectator, but you're actually part of the art.
Yeah, imagine controlling like light trees with sound or like plowing through digital sand.
Oh, wow.
It just sounds incredible.
That sounds so cool.
Yeah, and they even have like a holographic eye projection.
A holographic eye projections.
Exactly, and that's what's so cool about digital art.
Right.
Like it can engage us on so many different levels.
Yeah.
It can make us think and feel in these totally new ways.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm convinced.
Yeah.
I am adding Lumia Gallery to my travel bucket list.
You gotta go.
Yeah, so if you're ever in Prague,
Mm.
check it out.